on the ride. I mean, that woman has hers out, so I'm going to say
yeah, I know.
Yeah. Like, if you were on Sky Towers, this is theoretically what the car will look like. If the car were to stop perfectly.
Like every month.
Hey, good morning, everyone. I am Jonathan Smith. I am the Corporate Vice President of Rides and Engineering for SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment. It's a pleasure to be with you today. And to my left, I have Sophie Bolliger, President of Bolliger and Mabillard, with me today. And we are very excited to be here at the November IAAPA Expo in sunny Orlando, Florida. I'd first like to take this opportunity to thank you, Sophie, and Bolliger and Mabillard for welcoming us to your booth, for your hospitality, and for partnering with SeaWorld to deliver experiences that matter and for providing thrilling adventures for our guests. Friends, SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment works to create fun, memorable, and thrilling experiences for our guests at our 12 theme parks across the country. Well, debuting in the spring of 2023, we are inviting all dudes and dudettes to hang 10 on Pipeline Surf Coaster, the world's first surf coaster. It's a first-of-its-kind attraction on the planet that can only be experienced at SeaWorld Orlando. Pipeline Surf Coaster celebrates the iconic surf cultures found throughout the world. And our surfers will be riding waves on a gnarly, gigantic surfboard that will send them on a journey of tight turns, twists, 5 airtime moments, and a wave curl inversion, which is designed to simulate a cork alley-oop surfing maneuver. So if you know anything about surfing, that is one of the most difficult maneuvers to perform, and you can do that right here on Pipeline Surf Coaster. So without further ado, if everyone in our floor here is ready, we are excited to provide you a first look, a reveal of this new, amazing, next-generation vehicle for the world's first surf coaster. So if our friends on the IAAPA floor are ready and our Facebook Live fans are ready, let's take a look at the ride vehicle for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Sophie, are you ready? Let's do a countdown. You guys ready? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pretty gnarly, right? It's amazing. It's incredible. Well, friends, Pipeline Surf Coaster will debut in the spring of 2023. And our surfing adventure begins with a dynamic wave launch that will propel our surfboard to a speed of 60 miles per hour. And then our surfboard is going to maneuver into a 110-foot tall hammerhead wave. Throughout the near 3,000-foot long journey, our surfers will experience wave jumping motion, which will make them feel like they are actually surfing. And what I mean by that is the restraint system is designed to heave or move vertically to some degree, so our surfers will feel the power and motion of the waves. Pipeline will be the 7th roller coaster at SeaWorld Orlando, adding more incredible diversity to the coaster capital of Orlando. Pipeline will also be located along the shores of SeaWorld Orlando's lagoon, and will inspire joy and respect for the power of the ocean and pay homage to surf cultures from every single era. This is a first-of-its-kind attraction that can only be provided by SeaWorld. I'm also excited to announce that our annual Fest members will be amongst the very first to ride Pipeline before we open to the general public. So stay tuned for further details as we prepare the beaches for this amazing surfing experience. So this is it, Pipeline Surf Coaster, spring of 2023. We look forward to welcoming you at SeaWorld Orlando. Stay tuned for further details, and love to have you guys over. Thank you.